Have you ever tried making dinner for the whole family in an air fryer, only to end up cooking everything in separate batches while one dish gets cold waiting for the other? If that sounds familiar, this might be the upgrade you've been looking for. Today, we're checking out the Ninja DZ550 Foodi 10-quart DualZone Smart XL Air Fryer, a large-capacity air fryer designed to solve one of the biggest frustrations in home cooking: getting multiple foods cooked perfectly at the same time. The Ninja DZ550 is built for busy families, meal preppers, and anyone who wants faster weeknight meals without constantly monitoring the cooking process. What immediately stands out is the dual basket design. Instead of one large cooking chamber, you get two separate 5-quart baskets that operate independently. That means you can cook chicken in one basket and vegetables in the other, using completely different temperatures and cooking times. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. From a design perspective, the DZ550 feels solid and well-built. The gray finish gives it a modern, kitchen-friendly appearance without looking overly bulky despite its large size. The control panel is clean and easy to understand, even if you've never owned an air fryer before. The baskets slide in and out smoothly, and the handles feel sturdy enough for daily use. Nothing about the unit feels cheap or fragile. The non-stick coating inside the baskets also makes a noticeable difference when it comes to cleanup and everyday convenience. Another standout feature is the integrated Smart Cook Thermometer. If you've ever worried about undercooking chicken or overcooking steak, this feature removes much of the guesswork. Simply insert the probe, select your preferred doneness level, and the air fryer monitors the temperature for you. It's one of those features that sounds small on paper, but becomes incredibly useful once you start using it regularly. Cleaning is another area where the Ninja scores points. The non-stick baskets release food easily, and the dishwasher's safe crisper plates simplify maintenance. After several cooking sessions, cleanup remains relatively quick compared to traditional baking trays and roasting pans. Of course, no product is perfect. The large footprint may be challenging for smaller kitchens with limited counter space. It's also more expensive than basic single-basket air fryers. If you mainly cook for one person and rarely prepare multiple dishes at once, some of its premium features could feel unnecessary. However, for larger households, the extra capacity and convenience can easily justify the higher price. Compared to other air fryers in the same price range, the Ninja DZ550 offers a stronger combination of capacity, versatility, and convenience. Many competitors offer dual baskets, but fewer include a smart thermometer and synchronization features that genuinely improve the cooking experience. The overall value becomes clear when you consider how much time it can save throughout the week. At the end of the day, the Ninja DZ550 Foodi DualZone Smart XL Air Fryer is best suited for families, meal preppers, and anyone who regularly cooks multiple foods at once. It delivers strong performance, thoughtful features, and enough capacity to handle larger meals with ease. If that's the kind of cooking experience you're looking for, you'll definitely want to check out the link in the description. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more honest product reviews, and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.